Hey guys, Hugh here from iTradePrice. It is a little after 5:30 p.m. Eastern. Markets are closed. Futures market is also closed. I think they open up back up in a few minutes here. But today's video, I wanted to make, just focus on these clouds a little bit and how we can use the 1 minute chart of E-mini, NASDAQ, NQ, and take the entry in the NinzaRenko chart. Look for the pullback, right? So the strategy is pretty simple, and you can actually use the EMA bot to take the trades as well. I am in the process of incorporating the 1 minute time frame in the strategy the strategy is that, so these are the clouds, okay? This is 1 minute chart of NQ. So the strategy is that we're only going to be looking for short trades when the cloud is red and yellow, starting from here all the way till here, right? I'm going to turn green a little bit, but you can ignore this one. But we're going to be looking for shorts here, and for longs, if you're aggressive, then you can definitely take a long once the green cloud goes above the yellow one. But if you're a little conservative, you can wait for the cloud to turn blue and only take the long trades when the cloud is green and blue, right? And so that means you would have taken the long trades something like over here and short trades over here, and then again you would move to short starting from right here, and then of course you will take longs again right here, shorts right here. If you're aggressive, yes, you can start taking longs or looking for longs once the green cloud is above the yellow one, or you can start looking for shorts if the red cloud gets below the blue one, because this is still a short market. Okay, so how do you take an entry? This is for direction, right? So let's go to 9:30 in the morning, just right there. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So from let's say 9:38, right? So 9:38, let's say we're a little aggressive. So from 9:38, or actually like say 9:39, 9:40, the cloud went above the yellow, the green one. So we're going to be taking longs all the way till here, right? From 9:40 till, what is that, like 10:05 or something, right? So longs. So how do we take that long? So now let's go to NinzaRenko in the same time zone, right? From 9:40 till 10:05, right? So what you can do is, so we're looking for longs, right? But again, you can use the EMA bot to take the long entries over here. If you enable the bot, it should take the long entries, and we'll try to play it as well. But the entry is that in the NinzaRenko chart, when this thing is bullish, right, you're going to look for a yellow cloud, and then once the cloud turns yellow, you're going to take the first green bar as your entry, right? So your long entry would have been right here. And then of course, depending on your stop loss or profit, you could have, taken some, it went up till like 97, till about 25, 30 points, right? Then what happened? This was another entry zone, right? Yellow cloud, this was the first green bar in the yellow cloud that appeared. Take a long entry right here, right? Let's keep going. You would have taken another long entry right here, depending on your stop loss or not. This went up by about 12 points right till here, right? And then it probably stopped you out. Okay, you could have taken another entry here. This would have been a stop, right? This one right here would have given you an entry right here, right? This was the first green bar, and so one entry per cloud is enough in my opinion. Okay, so here's the yellow cloud right there again, right? Take an entry right here. So we're going to keep going till what, 10:06 or 7 or something like that. So here's another entry, long entry right there, right? Keep going. This would have stopped you out. This was the entry right here, right? This would have given you back right here. So you keep doing that, right? And then let's take a look at some short examples. So from 10:15 till like 10:22. Well, very short time, 10:15. We'll see if we get any blue cloud, right? From 10:15 onwards, this would have been a stop because we would have attempted a short right there. Let's wait for the new cloud. Nothing appears up here. No new blue cloud. Well, there it is. This would have been the short right here, right? It went nicely back down. Of course, it depends on your stop loss. If your stop loss is, that wide, it's went against you about 11 points, looks like, and then, kind of really flushed nicely. Okay, so all the way, well, this was a break. No longs here because no blue cloud, right? So you can stop avoiding the longs, the shorts here at least, but that doesn't mean you start taking longs unless you're aggressive. Okay, but the real short was from this when both these clouds were aligned, the yellow right here and the red one, right? When did that start? From 1051 all the way till, let's just say 1127, right? So 1051 right here. So we want to short, so that means we want to look for a blue cloud and take the first red as our entry, which would have been right here, right? Gave you nice points. Another blue right there, right? So this can give you good shorts, right? All throughout the day. And if you keep the stop loss and target are a little skewed, definitely you can achieve the your trading goal for the day. I think this is a good strategy if you want. And let's use the EMA. Let's go to playback for a second. So the way EMA Bot is currently set up, I don't have a way to incorporate the 1 minute cloud in there, but I will get it coded and update the file and send it and put it on the website, and so you can grab it from there. Give me like maybe a week or so, but just to kind of show you, well, right now it's not, going to consider that, but I think still today was a good day just to run the strategy by itself, even if it was not taking into account the 1 minute chart, right? So let's start at like 9:30. I'm going to make this thing small. Let's go all the way here. Let's apply the strategy. You see EMA. I have my template saved for NinzaRenko. 15 stop loss, 25 target. Rest of the parameters are here. You can pause the screen and see, if you want to kind of run it and test it. Apply that on the chart, enable it. Oops, that's fine, and let it go. I did not set any profit or loss shut off for the day. I'm just gonna let it run and see if it gets us to
order filled,
where we want to be. Okay. Oops.
Order filled.
So right now it's not considering the 1 minute cloud, right? But once it will do that, it will avoid the longs or shorts depending on how the 1 minute is set up, right? I think that can definitely improve the quality. But for now, let's just, run it and see what happens. Let's keep running it. Okay, let's speed it up a little bit.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
Fine.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order
Okay.
filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
Stop.
Order filled.
Target.
Order filled.
Target.
Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Let's
Order
keep
filled.
going
Order
till like
filled.
12 o'clock or 11:30, just to see how the
Order
morning
filled.
was. Okay.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
All right.
Order
let's
filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
So you see right now I don't have the 1 minute thing incorporated, but
filled.
once it will have that, it will definitely
Order
avoid the longs,
Order filled. Order canceled.
in this,
Order canceled. Stop
in the
filled.
yellow
Order
cloud,
canceled.
right?
Order filled.
So it will only take longs, shorts in the blue cloud
canceled.
and
Order filled.
longs in the
Stop
yellow cloud,
filled.
depending on
Order
how the 1
filled.
minute is. Okay. All right.
Order filled.
Let's speed it up a little bit more.
Order filled.
Let's keep going.
Order filled. Stop. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Come
Order
on.
canceled. Order filled.
All right. So you get the idea, right?
Order
I'm just going to
filled.
shut it down for now. But
Order
I
filled.
think this can really
Order
do
canceled.
well
Order
if you're
filled.
scalping.
Stop filled. Order filled.
and using this for intraday trades. Okay, so Cloud Indicator is also available on the website, but if you are already a member, it should be on the Discord as well. Okay, hope you guys like this little video. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care, guys.